Good evening, folks. This is it's a 1 or 2 part video diary, if you like, of one of the first tutorials I've followed for Inventor 3D. This is the 2013 version. I downloaded the 30-day trial, so I don't have long to play with it, and so far I'm quite enjoying it. You know, it's a very powerful piece of software. It's much more complex than, say, SketchUp, much more powerful, and much more useful. Downside is its menu structure or tool structure is much more complicated. They've done a lot over the years to negate the complexity, or to reduce confusion. And I've watched a few video tutorials on YouTube, and a lot of the functionality is relatively simple. And you can navigate your different views now a lot easier than you would have done previously, through this widget up here in the right hand corner. This toolbar up here is called the ribbon. I don't know who thinks up these phrases or names in Autodesk, but it doesn't resemble a ribbon, it resembles a toolbar. Why call it a ribbon? That just makes things not confusing, but it just irritates me. I don't know about the rest of you. Just fucking stupid if you ask me, calling it a ribbon. However, I had actually completed this short tutorial, but I failed to save it, and I went off to do something else, and when I realised I had sort of restarted from a previous or earlier saved position. So I haven't made the vase or bottle transparent yet, and I haven't embossed it like I had done previously. I'll go through that again shortly. I got it to this stage through memory alone, which isn't difficult. But there's the path structure, or not the path structure, it's kind of like a path, I suppose, but the structure of the tool layout on the ribbon, I'm still struggling with it at times. For instance, here we have the history here of the operations I carried out to get the model in the graphical area to this stage listed here on the left. But if I wanted to go back to the actual sketch I used to revolve into this shape, right now I don't see an easy way to revert to that. Right, okay, there, that's it. So you've got to go through this hierarchy or tree structure to get to your sketch. And you can edit the sketch if you want. So that takes you back to the sketch, and then you can finish the sketch to return to your 3D view. There we go. So yeah, it's coming along slowly, but say you're in the edit sketch mode, the tools you have available to you here are different. So you've got to remember that you're in sketch mode. You can see the tab there, because you might want to extrude something, but you can't do that in sketch mode. You've got to be in 3D mode. So you finish the sketch, and then you can extrude or evolve then. So yeah, this has all been covered in tutorials on YouTube already, folks, so I'm not going to actually try to teach you how to use the software. I'm just thinking out loud as I'm learning the ins and outs of this new iteration of well, it's not AutoCAD, it's Inventor 3D, but I started out with AutoCAD Release 12 way back in the day, and I'm just refreshing my skill set. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you all again. Well, I'm working quite long hours right now, so I'll catch you all again whenever I get round to doing a video. So until next time, hope you enjoyed this little introduction to Inventor 3D. Bye for now.